Hello Purpose Earth, my name is William Bob-manuel. With the help of this video, I aim to bring the vision for education reform in Abonnema to life. As a youth leader who witnessed the poor conditions hindering learning at our local secondary school, I initiated volunteer repairs. However, we need additional support to fully renovate at least 3 dilapidated classrooms. Your grant would fully fund critical upgrades like new floors, ceilings, windows, doors, and furniture, transforming dreary spaces into stimulating environments where students can thrive. If chosen, this project would empower my goal of replicating such community-led solutions across villages. You have the power to empower Nigeria's next generation through small acts of partnership. I humbly request your consideration in joining our mission to uplift education and unlock human potential in Abonnema. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to a positive response from your organization.